how to get a penny out of a pan or a plate without getting your hands wet. Here are the materials: a penny or a coin of any size, some Q-tips or matches. Hand sanitizer only if you're using the Q-tips because the Q-tips don't burn as well. Or a pan or a plate, and a cup and some water, a lighter, and a cork. Now you need to poke holes in the cork such as we have. Make sure you get a cork that your parents won't get mad if you try to destroy. So, you could either use scissors or just bend these things off if you're using the Q-tips, such as he's doing. Okay, so what you're going to do is if you're using the Q-tips, you're going to put them in there such as he is doing, in however many holes you want. 3 works pretty good. Don't use less than 3 because it won't take the oxygen out of the cup. Now, if you're using Q-tips, make sure you put hand sanitizer around the whole entire thing so it doesn't just burn the Q-tip. Now, you could either pour the water in the pan or the plate and then put the cork in, or you could do it the other way around. In this case, we're just going to put the cork in after the water. So then, you take the penny and you place it somewhere in the corner, such as we've done, not in the middle because then the thing will cover it. So what you will do is you will light the 3 Q-tips or the matches and put the cup over. Now as you can see, the water is being sucked up. Now, he grabbed the penny without getting his fingers wet. Now, that does that because when you take, let's see, what kind of example could we use?
When you burn the Q-tip. When you burn the Q-tip inside the cup, it is burning the oxygen in there, and it's creating a vacuum
to try to bring more oxygen up in it.
Yeah, but the water is in the way, so it's sucking the water up instead.
So, do you see there's... Oops, well I didn't dump the water out, but he put the water back down. Now, we are going to try something with you to show you how the Germ-X burns. I don't know if I could find it, but it says, if you could see this, but it says, probably not, but it says 63% alcohol. Okay, so you could just place it on there. You could also put it on your finger, but make sure you have adult supervision and a cup of water. Now, we're just going to swirl this around everywhere. You can make any design you want because it really does work.
To be safe, we're using a Q-tip to ignite it.
To be safe, use a Q-tip.
Or a match.
Or, if you have an adult, have them just light it. Now, ooh, that's pretty warm. Now, just to show you that it's burning because you can't really see it, the Q-tip has been burnt. Now, see?
The flame is out.
The flame is gone.
So thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Welcome back. We're here with the floating bag experiment. The first thing we're going to do is we measured out half a cup of white vinegar. Sit down the camera, please. So you can hold the bag.
And you can see.
So there we go. And we add our vinegar.
And a little water, but we already mixed together,
So then we get our 3...
And before you do this, make sure your bag closes all the way.
Okay, so we get our tablespoon. We get our 3 tablespoons of baking soda.
Here. I'm going to set you up here on the computer so you can see what he's doing. I can't see the picture.
Okay, so I had put it in a tissue.
Now the reason why you're putting...
That little juvenile points on dog.
Okay, we're doing an experiment. Kayla, would you like to hold the camera, please? Okay, that is enough.
Okay.
Okay, so the reason why
now we're going to go outside. We got it in the baking soda in
The
there.
reason why you need to put it in the tissue is because hey, shut up. If you put it in, just pour it in. By the time one of the little specks hits the vinegar, it will start to foam over, and you won't get the chance to see it explode. So get out the camera so I can get my shoes
We
on.
got our little pouch of baking soda. No. Okay, so here we go. We're going back outside. Okay. I'm gonna hand the camera to Tara.
So we're outside here, and
I'm adding the bag.
might want to take a step back. We'll zoom in a bit so you can see what's going to happen. Hurry up, zip it up, zip it up. It does not work. Oh God, it's going to blow. Woohoo! And it just blew up that part, but it still blew up. I'm not sure if you got it, but it expanded, and expanded
Until it wouldn't.
until the bag couldn't hold that much air anymore.
So in a little while, we're gonna find a bottle, and we're gonna do with the exploding bottle.
The exploding bottle.
Have a nice day.
So have a nice
See you
day,
later.
and look for our next experiment next week.